Isang chorus pa kayong boses, Kiki.
Anong sabi mo?
Ha? Pilipina? Pilipina ka?
Ano sa tingin mo? Bakit ka tumatawa? Huh?
Hindi ka Pilipina.
Bakit hindi?
Kakaiba yung nunal mo eh.
Bastos!
Medyo.
Don't move away from the horse! Oh, the door's open again! Get the horse out of here! Are you okay? Okay. So now, the horse is gone, okay? So no more horseback riding at the Savannah. Ikaw na naman. Bakit mo ba ako sinusundan?
Sinoli ko yung kabayo. Tsaka ba't naman kita susundan?
At sino naman ang nagsabi sa'yo na isoli mo yan?
Hindi ba kailangan dito yan?
Katulad mo. Hindi ka kailangan dito.
Ganda mo rin magpasalamat ah.
Bakit ako magpapasalamat sa'yo?
Anak. Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam. Mag-ingat ka.
That is so embarrassing. I know, but I still cannot believe that he is the successor of my teacher. Ravan is so arrogant, so obnoxious, and so ungentle of a man.
Pasensya ka na, kuya, ah. Sinundo kita sa estasyon. Pero, nandito ka na pala.
Sanay na ako sa'yo.
Okay, so I get it. They're half-brothers. Ravan is the eldest from a Filipino wife. And Samir is the full-blooded Indian?
Yes, and Samir learned to speak your language, Tagalog, because Samir lived in your country for 7 years.
I wonder why my teacher, his father, never mentioned Ravan to me. And to think Ravan is supposed to be the favorite son.
Because Ravan is a prodigal son.
Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum.
What do you mean Ravan is a prodigal son?
We're very sorry because we have no time to wait for you for his burial. We are Muslims. We have to follow our rules and traditions. 24 hours is the only time prescribed for viewing. You mean my last respect?
The legacy of your father is peace to all of his domain. As the eldest of your uncles, I'm reminding you that the wealth, future, and treasures of the family is now in your hands. And as the eldest of his children, we hope and pray it is you who will fulfill what your father has started. And that is your father's wish.
Every Indian who has been to the Philippines, they all know that Ravan is not practicing Muslim and that he is only pretending to be one. All Ravan knows is how to party, waste his part of money, girlfriends left and right. That is why at Ravan's age, he's never married.
I will now enumerate everything that you have inherited from your father. Trucking of 100 units. Cement factory. Logging. Industrial machinery. newly constructed buildings, land development, heavy equipment, farmlands of 10,000 acres. Basically, you now own Alipur, except one.
And what is that?
The school.
The school?
Nobody knows why your father left the school to her.
Actually, she was treated like a daughter he never had.
Let's give the woman some credit. She made your father happy.
She was the one who took care of your father.
Since the day cancer struck, and to the day it took his life.
She suffered as much as your father did. You know, she never left his side day and night. He always wanted her to sing a song.
A song?
Ravan! She's not worthy of the school! She violated Muslim faith and tradition! She must be removed and thrown back where she came from!
Ravan, where are you going? She's against the Muslims. She must be removed.
Lavan, you have to know one more thing. Your father had one condition before you inherit